Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here. Even though it's May, summer is here and it's time to embrace that sun-kissed glow. And today's video is all about creating a dewy bronzer makeup look that's perfect for these warmer months. So let's just start. First of all, let's prep the skin for that summery radiance. We want a lightweight base that evens out skin tone without feeling heavy. I'm using a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer. This is from Roche-Posay. This one is a tinted moisturizer that has SPF, and it will give us a touch of coverage and sun protection, and I really like it. I don't remember if it has shades or not. If it does, I'm light. So let's just apply quickly like we apply sunscreen, and then we'll go over with a sponge. For this glowy makeup look, I'm not using a concealer, just a glowy moisturizer, tinted moisturizer that has SPF, which is important. This one has 50 plus SPF, and this is so important. And this is a mineral SPF, by the way. It's called Mineral 1 SPF 50 plus, which is very important for those summer days. Just took all of the hair out. Let's just finish it, and it looks flawless. It looks wonderful. Don't forget your lids as well. They are a part of our face. We usually neglect them. And now let's take a damp sponge, and if there is excess, it will absorb the excess. Okay, wait, what did I do? Okay, next up we want to bronze. We'll be using a cream bronzer. I'm using this one by Revolution. I'll show you the name. We're using a cream bronzer because it blends beautifully and creates a natural looking tan. I'm just using my fingers. This is a lot. I'm just adding 3 dots here on the sides of my face and 2 dots each side of my forehead, just like that. And because it's a cream product, it will give us a glow from within, and this is what we're looking for, a glowy summery look, something that will look glowy, like we've been to the sun. We tanned a bit, and if we want, we can always add more. I want a tiny bit more here. So again, just taking my finger, adding, well, more than I wanted. But you know, the sponge absorbs most of the product anyways. So you just need to be heavy-handed if you want to take off excess. If you want to take more product, then use a heavy hand. If you want to just slightly make sure that everything sits in the right place, then lightly use your sponge like that. Okay, now we want a highlighting. This one is from Tarte. This is a mini. This is the glow tape, sorry. This is the glow tape in the shade Amber Glow. I really want to complete the bronzer and add dimension, and this is why I'm applying a cream highlighter, or if you have a liquidy highlighter, this is also good. Let's put directly on the face. Is there product? Yeah, there is. So I'm just adding it here to my cheekbones and tiny bit on the brow bone and the bridge of my nose. Just like that. Is there product coming out? I hope so. Yep. Okay. And now I'm blending. Just like that. With my finger. This is my best tool. For glowiness. For easiness. I don't need a lot of tools in order to have a complete face of makeup. Then of course we need to blush, which has highlighters, so I'm taking the blush tape, also from Tarte, for that pop of summery look. So we're choosing this one, which is a cream. This is in the shade Coral. This is a cream blush that will give us dimension, and this is a corally shade which works well with the corally highlighter. Oh, nothing comes out because it was closed. Yeah, that's not great. I'm just adding it here where I applied my highlighter. This is very, very creamy, as you can see. Corally, beautiful, very summery, appropriate shade. Yeah, I know I am going over the highlighter a little bit because this one is dewy and gives a lot of highlight, but I think I applied too much. And what do we do when we apply too much? We go to the sponge and take some of it out, and we are blending upwards to the temples, just like that. Now I'm adding a tiny bit more of the highlighter because I do feel like I'm missing. Of course, didn't open it. You need to open it and wait for the product to come out of here. Just adding a tiny bit more of that highlighter. This already looks gorgeous. I'm just going to apply something to my brows. I'm using my LA Girl brow pencil just to give them a bit of definition, something very, very light, just to fill in the blanks, because I have blanks. If you don't have blanks, maybe you can skip it. We're looking for a summery, glowy look. Nothing too dewy, nothing too complicated. Just something dewy and nice. Now, I want to use this setting spray. Keep this glowy, bronzy look that we just created. We're using setting spray. I'm using this one from the Beauty Crop, because I really want everything to be glowy and kind of stick all day. And this one has a very fine mist to it. And I really love the CHERIE scent to it. Okay, we need to finish up the look, some final touches. And we need two things. One, it's a mascara. Again, I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Just a coat of mascara. Just to make my lashes be visible and give them some volume. Just like that. And on the other side as well. These are the finishing touches. The glow is already here. And Another thing to finish up the look from Maybelline. This is the lifter gloss, just really to give something light and shiny to my lips. Again, this is a glowy, bronzy, summery look, and that's it. Here we go. Here you have it, a simple but yet stunning bronzy glow that's perfect for summer. What do you think? I think this is just beautiful. Glowy, summery, bronzy look. If you are going to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on social media using the hashtag summerglow or bronzy makeup. I am Karen Does Makeup on Instagram and Karen Does Life on TikTok. So if you do recreate this, please tag me. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And we will have more summer beauty tips here on this channel later on, so don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.